At the center of the controversy surrounding separating immigrant families is an Austin-based nonprofit. Southwest Key Programs has received criticism about its shelters, housing more than 5,000 children who cross the border. About 10% are kids who have been separated from their families prior to the president's policy change yesterday. KXAN's Steffi Lee spoke in depth with the organization's CEO about his answer to crowding and safety concerns and what's next for the children.
Do you guarantee that these children will all be reunited with their families?
I would like to start that today, if we could. We have not gotten the guidance yet or the direction of how this is going to happen.
But Southwest Key Program CEO Dr. Juan Sanchez says since the kids separated from their families entered their facilities, his staff have worked to maintain their connections.
We try to communicate with the parents for the child so that they know where the child is and that they're here and that they can be, they know that the child is being taken care of.
Amid reports about the shelters operating over capacity, the nonprofit says it has been actively recruiting new staff with the influx of immigrant minors over the last few months.
We have now hired over 860 staff people who have been in training, because they got to be in training for a month before we put them with their kids.
There's still mounting criticism against Southwest Key Programs for operating the shelters to begin with.
And certainly one of the options is that we're ready to give this up.
But Dr. Sanchez says if not his organization, then who?
We do not know what will happen to these kids if we get out of the way. And we also know that there's very few, if any, others that understand the culture, understand the language, and are able to provide that service to these kids like that.
State records show, several violations within several of your facilities, dealing with health care, dealing with children getting into physical altercations.
It's just a human possibility that some of these standards are going to not be met. And we report every single one of those standards ourselves. I sleep very well at nights. We have not committed any offenses. We are not doing anything that's illegal. We're taking care of children.
Steffi Lee, KXAN News.
Since 2015, Southwest Key has received nearly $1 billion in federal funding. Dr. Sanchez says 85% of those funds go towards direct child care like food, clothing, and shelter. The rest pays indirect costs, including salaries for caregivers.